I tried to hold it in. I shouldn't have. It got worse. I'm in a quiet room, library-level quiet, peaceful, and I feel it coming. So I decide to be polite, responsible, a functioning adult. I try to suppress the sneeze. Now, instead of one normal sneeze, I make a sound no human should ever make. Half cough, half explosion. Full embarrassment. Everyone looks up, and I'm sitting there like, yep, that was me. I chose that. Anyway, please tell me I'm not the only one who turns a sneeze into a performance.